Sorry, I'm going to take him to a modeling agency.
Why?
The camera just gets out and look at him go. It's like, look at me, look what I can do, look what I can do. Yeah. See me, look at me, look at me. I'm making your damn clothes turn purple.
Trying to pull my pants off now?
Probably trying to stand up.
And there's the mommy doing her homework like a good little student. And now she says the okay sign. You hit my toes! And what do you want, Zorro? He's gonna get you. Get the kitty. Get him. Yeah. Now what? You bonk your head? Yes, then you look at the camera like, oh no, I can't cry in front of the camera. I can't. I must show I'm a man. I cannot cry in front of the camera. Zorro, get your ass out of the camera. Get your ass out of my face. Yeah. Right. I can't show my... I gotta cry. and people will see me crying.
I have to poop.
Now, we go into the darkness. Whoa, whoa. You might be able to hear her poop.